Okay, so you just search this up and you click on here. This first link. Then you go to the download spot. I think you hit this. Or don't. Don't do that. Let's try this one. Okay, there we go. Then you click here, where it says click here. And then it should be downloaded right here. And then you go into your Google Play, or not really, you know what I mean. And you search up Capcut. Should be here. And then you hit the install, which it doesn't show it right here, but that's where you click. And then it should pop up here. Also, don't mind my sister in the background. And you need to be able to get this in order to download on a computer. And I don't know why, but I just randomly figured it out. Don't mind me. Yeah. Alright. See ya. How do I turn this off? Alright, bye.